Okay, I'm using old motor oil to put inside here. All the
I normally kept the cement in the wendy for the rain, just to protect it, put it in a plastic bag, and I just mix it with a bowl, like 6:1 ratio. The aggregate is already been pre-mixed. This is how you buy it, and then I just mix it, very easy. Then you add some water, but don't you can always add water later on. Don't put too much water in, otherwise too slippery, too floppy. Okay. Okay, the next thing is now to put some cement, those mixture, inside the molds that been put some old motor oil in already inside. Then you can fill up all of them, just shake them a little bit to that the cement can go in all the nooks and crannies. And then you just leave it for I leave it normally for a week before I open them. I only do it over weekends. I then put a piece of plastic over them, just for the rain. If the rains that same night of each, and otherwise it will damage the cement and wash them all out.
here is where I put all the stuff. When I finish with them, put them underneath here for the rain and just put to protect them. You can see this is one of the. This is like a plastic mold. You can take it off. Look how nice it looks. This looks like it's a cake, type of a cake thing that we use. But this is a nice type. This is other ones. You just take this thing and put it underneath, and you just take a rubber hammer, just loosen it, and it comes loose. Just push it off. That's it. Here's the molds. It's a nice thing.
Okay, here's the finished ones, the flat ones and a few smaller ones, and there's a nice one with a cake mold. And okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Cheers.